Hello and welcome to our home tech. In this video I'm going to show you a quick video, a quick app, which is a great app, which is currently they are offering for free, which is cost about £2. So let's have a look how to get this one. So go to your Play Store. You need to type Bubble Level Pro. Bubble Level Pro, which is a great application. I just found it. I just downloaded it, which they are doing it for free for the time being. Until 5 days. I think that's a promotion. So if you open that app, let's see how this works. This simple app works fantastically. So you can see I put it on the flow. Now it says it's aligned. So this is, simply fantastic when you're doing some DIY or anything from your home, or it could be someone. Then you can pull this app and you can help them over. So which is a great app. And also you can tap this one, you can calibrate it as well, which is fantastic app. Hopefully this video is very helpful. If you like this video, please thumbs up button and also leave a comment down below. Share with your friends and family. I'd like to see you in another video.